Hi friends, today we are starting exercise number 4.3. In that 4.3, first one, solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. First equation in that 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. 37 by 2. First we are transposing 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS. Transposing 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS. 2y equal to 37 by 2. Here what have in the equation plus 5 by 2. We are transposing this one plus 5 by 2 to LHS to RHS minus 5 by 2. Here one thing, in addition and subtraction denominator is same, we can directly add and minus. 2y is equal to, the denominator is difference, we are taking L, we are finding LCM, but here denominator are same. 37 minus 5, 32. 32 denominator as it is same, 2. Divide this one, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, here remaining 1, 12, 2 6 are, that means 16 came. 2y is equal to 16. Y is equal to, this one transposing, here multiplication having, it is coming LHS to RHS, division. 16 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 eights are, here y is equal to 8. This is the answer. In that B, same exercise B, 5t plus 28 equal to 10. First we are transposing here 28 from LHS to RHS. LHS to RHS. You are transposing here 28 from LHS to RHS. It means 5t equal to 10 minus 28. Here look at plus 10 minus 28. Which number is big? Here 28, but sign is minus half. That's why 5t is equal to minus sign first you write, after deduct the 28 minus 10, 18. After t is equal to minus 18, this multiplication 5, it is LHS to RHS transposing, here 5, division. We can't divide this one, minus 18, that's why t is equal to minus 18 by 5. Answer. In that exercise, third one question, a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Here transposing which one? Plus 3 from LHS to RHS. Means a by 5 is equal to 2. It is plus 3 have. We are transposing LHS to minus 3. That means a by 5 is equal to minus 1. Here division having 5. Transposing to LHS to RHS, multiplication. A is equal to minus 1 into 5. A is equal to minus 6. Answer is minus 6. D. 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 10. Here two method we can solve this question. First method. Which one you want, you choose it. First method, 5x as it is right is equal to minus 10. We are transposing here 2 to LHS to RHS into 2. 5x is equal to minus 10 into 2 minus 20. X is equal to, here we are transposing to 5 minus 20 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Means x is equal to minus 4. Answer. This is the first method. Second method. What is the equation? 5 by 2x is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10. It is multiplication, no? Here 5 by 2 into x means here multiplication. We are transposing to here left hand side to right hand side. Automatically it is division. We can write this one this type, 5 by 2 or minus 10 divided by 5 by 2. This type we can write both type. Minus 10 divided by 5 by 2. Okay, here division have, you know it. When it is division having, we are convert as a inverse. When it is inverse, 10 into denominator number up and the numerator number coming down. Inverse 5 by 2, it is having 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are minus 2. Means x is equal to minus 2 into 2. Which one minus 2? Here divide. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 into 2. This one I am written here. Minus x is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Answer. The first one, E. 5 by 2 x div equal to 25 by 4. whatever we solved in the D, same method I am using here. Two method also. First method, in that first method, 5 by 2 having 5x you write after 25 by 4, it is division, it is transposing here to 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Remains what? 5x is equal to 25 by 2. It is what have multiplication, it is transposing to here, automatically it is division. X is equal to 25 by 2 divided by 5. 5 means 5 by 1. When it is the division having, we are x is equal to, here writing 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5s are. What is the answer came? X is equal to 5 by 2. Answer 5 by 2. And second method, same equation we are solving here. Second method, x is equal to 25 by 4. It is transposing whole number, whatever having here, division 5 by 2. Okay, x is equal to 25 by 4. It is inverse. When multiplication, inverse up and down. That means denominator and numerator. 2 by 5. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. What is the remains here? 5 and 2. That means x is equal to 5 by 2. Answer. The same exercise. Second one, solve. Solve. In the solve, A two bracket x plus 4 equal to 12. Here also I am solving this problem. Solve this problem in two methods. First method, which one easy you select. X plus 4. We are transposing this 2. Here what multiplication? It is coming LHS to RHS. We are bringing this one LHS to RHS. 12 into having, that is the multiplication with 2. X plus 4 equal to 2. It is 2 by 1. 2 means what? 2 by 1 always. It is inverse. What happened? Here into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. X plus 4 is equal to 6. After x is equal to 4 have, it is transposing here 6 minus 4 plus 4. It is coming LHS to RHS minus 4. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. The first method. Second method, what is the equation? 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. We are multiplying directly here. 2 here 1 having 2 ones are 2 2x plus plus into plus plus 2 fours are 8 equal to 12. So easy having this method. 2x is equal to 12. This plus 8 transposing minus 8. 2x is equal to 4. 12 minus 8, 4. X is equal to, here multiplication, it is transposing here 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2s are. That means therefore x is equal to 2. Answer is x is equal to 2. In that second one, B, three n minus 5 equal to 21. 3n minus 5 equal to 21. Three n having no, this one only one method I am using here. 3 ones are 3. 3n plus into minus minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 21. First step. Second step, here transposing 15 minus 15 to LHS to RHS. LHS to RHS. Here minus. After 3n equal to minus 21, it is transposing here plus 15, minus 15 transposing plus 15. 3n is equal to minus 21 plus 15. Answer what coming? Minus 6. N is equal to minus 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore n is equal to minus 2. Here look at the same equation. I am solving here, changing the sign. 3n minus 5 equal to, here minus 21 have, I am taken here plus 21, same equation. As it is 3n minus 15 is equal to 21. After 3n as it is, right, this minus 15 plus 15, 21 plus 15. 3n as it is, 21 plus 15, 6, 3, 36. n is equal to 36 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. n is equal to 12. Same equation. I am changed the sign here. The answer is different. Here minus 2 coming, here n is equal to 12. The third one, solve the following equation. Third one A. 4 equal to 5 p minus 2. 5 p minus 2. The second one, in that equation, this is coming to left hand side, this is coming to right hand side. We are here little bit change. LHS equal to RHS are interchanges. Interchanged the equation. Interchange means here this one LHS, this one RHS. We are interchanging here 5 P by P minus 2 is equal to 4. This is interchange. 5 ones are 5, 5P. 5 twos are 10. Which 10? Plus 10 minus 10. Here plus having, here minus having. That means minus 10 equal to 4. After 5P equal to, it is transposing where minus 10 coming to right hand side. 4 plus 10. 5P is equal to 16. P is equal to 16 by 5. Answer is this much. That B. In that B, (16) is equal to 4 plus 3 bracket T plus 2. We are here LHS is equal to RHS are interchanged the equation. LHS to RHS interchange the equation, remains same. Both are remains the same. Understood now? We are writing here 4 plus 3 bracket T plus 2 is equal to 16. Here 4 plus 3 plus 1, multiplication with 1, 3T plus into minus minus, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So this one plus having no here. Plus 6 is equal to 16. Here plus 4 plus 6, 10. No. 3T plus 10 is equal to 16. 3T is equal to 16 minus 10. We are transposing here left hand side to right hand side. Plus 10 minus 10. 3T is equal to 6. T is equal to 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, T is equal to 2. Answer is 2.